How to fix unable to update WhatsApp on your Android. What's up everybody? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix this. Updating WhatsApp is quite a simple task, but sometimes it doesn't go as planned. So in this case, what you can do is first go to your Play Store and tap on the search bar at the bottom right corner. Simply search for WhatsApp. And if there are any update available for WhatsApp, you're going to see the update button right here instead of open. Just tap on it to update the app to its latest version. But if you are not getting the latest feature in WhatsApp and you're still not getting the update button here, then in that case, there might be few problems with your WhatsApp app. Long press on it, go to the eye icon to head over to the app info. Simply tap on the storage option and then clear cache. Sometimes these junk files might be causing the glitches, which might be stopping you from updating the app. You can also try to clear data, but what it does is it will automatically clear out all of your data and nothing will be saved. So after that, you're going to have to head over to permissions, make sure all of these permissions are allowed. And after all of that, you could do the same thing for Play Store as well. Long press on Play Store, go to App Info, tap on Storage, and then clear cache. And make sure all of the permissions are allowed as well. After all of that is done, give your phone a quick restart and see if you can update your WhatsApp. And that's how you fix this issue. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.